Hey guys, what's up? Today we're doing a WordPress tutorial, something a little different from the usual VPN content on the channel. Today we're going to be helping you figure out how to solve an annoying problem. So maybe you're trying to upload some media, or maybe you're trying to import something from another WordPress website into your WordPress panel. You're getting some kind of error that tells you you don't have enough memory, or the content isn't substantial enough and you need to increase the upload size or something like that. Now you could get that error by uploading something that's just too big for your WordPress website. Now as you can see here, I've actually expanded the maximum upload size to 32 megabytes. Normally WordPress has a size of 2 megabytes just to optimize things, I guess, but you may need to increase the size. However, it can be a bit tricky to do so, and when I was trying to figure out how to do this, I couldn't find many good tutorials or explanations on how to change the size of the upload so I could import stuff into WordPress as well as upload bigger images and just files overall. So guys, here's how you're going to do it. So you're going to need access to your cPanel. cPanel is basically the back end of your website installed from your web host provider that gives you access to some of the files and stuff like that. You're going to want to go ahead and log in, and then once you get to your cPanel, it's going to look something like this. I'm using GoDaddy, but anything you're using is probably going to be pretty similar options. What you're going to want to do is scroll down until you find something called Select PHP version. Go ahead and click on that. I'm going to wait for it to load. Now once you get here, you're actually going to want to click here. So a lot of tutorials out there are saying like, oh, you need to have a PHP.INI file or something like that, but I found that that method doesn't really work. It didn't really increase my upload size. What I had to do was actually go into these PHP settings here and change this post max size as well as this upload max file size. Now you click on it and change it to the storage option that you want, 32 megabytes, 64, and 128. So compared to 2 megabytes, this is a lot better, a lot more workable, and you could change that as well as this. Once you do that, you can save, and pretty much instantly you're going to be able to change that upload size here. Just for an example, we're going to go ahead and make that 64 megabytes, and we're going to go ahead and make this 64 megabytes. So you can see here it's 32, but once I click save, and I could reload this WordPress panel, you're going to see here that the maximum upload size did indeed change to 64 megabytes. So guys, like I said, this is going to help you solve those annoying problems uploading or importing WordPress, or just uploading big files. If you like this tutorial, subscribe to the channel and check out some of my other videos. I do VPN reviews, which are great if you want to protect your security on the web, if you want to protect your IP while torrenting, or if you're just around the world and you want to get access to the US content library of Netflix. Suffice to say, there's lots of cool tricks and tips you could use for VPNs and things to do with them. Thanks for watching this video game. I'm not a video game, I'm a video. Anyways guys, see you later.